Were you blessed with those songs?
Sure.
Can you hear an amen from everyone? Hindi ko siya. That's better. Indeed, I think everyone has their own love stories to tell. Am I right?
No.
No.
No. No.
Well, I think every one of us has their own love stories to tell. And I think the best love story, or let me say, nothing beats the love that we receive from the Father. Can I hear an amen from everyone? Amen! And some people can't stop expressing themselves because of the love that they receive. And just an example of those people are the ones who are going to dance tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the Youth Congress Full Circle, as they dance, welcome them as they dance to the beat of The Best of God's Love.
Hindi ko mag-chair. Pwede ko mag-chair. Bida ng taas eh. Lagi? Ben! Muna si Ben. Ben.
Kevin ba? Kevin?
Kevin. Woo! 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 Alan! Alan!
Boom boom! Boom boom! Boom boom! Boom boom! Boom boom! Alan! Go Alan!
Boom boom! Boom boom! Bam! Dengan green shirt. Boom boom dia turun atas Leo.
Kurang makuan, macunan sih. Boom boom! Boom boom!
Woo!
Thank you for that.
Boom boom!
Oh, here we go again. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Thank you for that wonderful presentation. Please give them again a round of applause. Are you guys okay? Or are you already sleepy and tired?
Okay.
We all have our own perception, our own definition of what the adjective or the word it means. Munggos can be your it vegetable. Yes. Kuya Mike can be your it grass. Wow. But we can all agree, and I'm sure that we can all agree in one thing, that this group of girls, the next presenter, is becomes it girl. So may we welcome with a round of applause the it girls.
Amo din nagamit sa payong.
Julie Hart! Julie Hart!
Krista! Jaina. Krista!
Dinding. Dinding. Gamay ba? Unan ba? Dinding. Dinding. Name music. Na lang. Nasayo. Nasayo.
Chris Tamlin! Chris Tamlin! Tintin! One more!
Gawon, mag-iara na dapit.
Woohoo! Mr. Good 2009. Ito nakakanta.
Tintin! Tintin!
Oh, okay. Nasa bangon. Na picture. Yay! Alas 3 sa kadlaw. Alas 3 sa kadlaw. Alas 3 sa kadlaw. Alas 3 sa kadlaw. Batoy. Brad, sakit na ako kamot. Sa Manila. Diba, ganyan na. Sound check mo na.
Krista! Krista!
Titay na!
Para na ito yun. Okay, para lang. Jata. Sige, wait, bayang. Woo!